Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a house from when we drive up to it, what we look at from that initial pull-up to walking inside, assessing what needs to be done, where we put guys. We have two guys out here today, myself and another guy, and we'll probably just go one inside, one outside, and kind of go from it, hit it from there. This came to us from a realtor that we do a lot of work for. They told us 67 panes. So we're going to wash inside and outside, and we'll see what it actually is. Usually it ends up being a little different. So this is the house right behind me. Let's take a look. So once we pull up, my outside guy already started, and he is starting the outsides. This is going to be a really easy job on the outside because, you know, this is walk-ups in the front. Back's probably 2-piece ladders, all it's going to be. But I can see walking up already, these do have inserts on them, so his pane price more than likely is going to be off. So the difference is, so instead of just being 2 panes per window, an interior and exterior, these are going to be 4 panes per window because you have these inserts that pull off. So you're going to be 4 panes per window. So this set right here, rather than being 4 panes in and out for a set of the 2, it's going to be actually 8, 4 per opening, 4 there and 4 here, because of those inserts. You can see the tab on the outside. As we look around on this, we're going to take a look. These have the inserts on the inner side, so these are flipped from what we just looked at. So these are also on each windows. It's 4, 4, 4 if we remove the inserts and clean everything 4 sides of glass panes. So I already counted this up. We had 19 windows with 4 panes each, 9 windows with just 2 panes each. So numbers wise, I don't know, what is that, like 94? About that. Oh, there's a lower level I didn't even count, so I think there's a couple more down there. So we're gonna be well over 100 panes where he was thinking 67. So I already put a text into him just to see where he's at, and I think what we just found we're going to do is we're going to clean everything as we planned. The 60-some panes in and out, take a look and assess it and see if these look dirty or not, and then clean. Since this is for sale, are going to be listed, we will from there we will see which ones, maybe do the priority ones that are like, yeah, the ones next to the doors or anything like that, or something that people are going to see right away, the sunny side. I can see already these are they're already very dirty. You can see whenever you can, right on windows. I don't know if you can see that. You can see an X there. Yeah, these are dirty. So these are going to turn out great for us. Nice big patio doors. But that's kind of what we look for. So first, because most of our residential homes we don't see these before we get to them unless it's a repeat customer. With all the realtor stuff, they're not repeats, they're first times. So they're just getting pictures done and whatever, or getting our windows cleaned before their pictures, or before the showings, before the home is listed. So first thing we'll go up, see what we need for equipment. Guys already started outside, I'll start inside. Second, we're gonna make sure the paint price is right, the pricing on it, and if not, we're gonna address our customer and get everything on track and have a full understanding of what is expected and what that price is going to be. That's a look at what we do on a residential window cleaning job. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.